Hey everybody, so now I am 29 weeks and I want to show you the last things that I got for the little one, a little baby. So I got a bottle warmer for the baby, and I actually got all of this at Walmart. So I got a bottle warmer for the baby. These like the last little things I have to get. I got some Milkmaid tea, Earth Mama. I wanted to get some tea to make sure that my milk production is up. So I'm actually going to take this as soon as I had a baby. And probably if I feel like I'm going to have a baby a little early, I might start taking it a few days early. But yeah, I got some tea for the baby. I got some cloth diapers, but I'm not going to put the cloth diapers on the baby. I'm going to use this for when a baby burp up or anything like that. Because you can see there's different things that you can use it for. So I want to use it as birth cloths. I got a big box of wipes. So it's actually 12 packs of wipes that come in here, and this is the fragrance free for sensitive skin. I always get this because I don't know if the baby is going to be sensitive or not. I got some Q-tips for the baby. So I got some Q-tips for the baby. I got I got him some bibs also too. So look at this face though, never tired. Or hopefully he is tired. I shouldn't have got that. Enjoy, I'll be a teenager one day. Tiny but tough. I thought those was really cute. And my little ones love Disney, so they love Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. So I got this so that they can see this on the baby. They can be excited when a baby just crying and they don't know what to do. Thank you so much. Okay, let's see what else I got. I got some pacifiers, some little nooks for the baby, and there was 3 of them in here. And this is supposed to be like breast because I'm gonna be exclusively breastfeeding the baby. So I got these for the baby. I got some gripe water for the baby. And this is good if the baby is gassy or colicky and crying. So if I don't know why the baby crying, I'm going to give the baby some of this. But this start at 2 weeks. But this is what I'm going to get a baby. If he just crying and I don't know what to do, it's probably because he needs some of that. And I got this for the baby too, so I can go ahead and brush his little hair during bath time. So I'm going to get this I'm going to make sure I use this for the baby. Especially if he's like getting cradle cap or anything like that, I can use this for him. But my mom told me I'd be fine with the baby if he, to stop him from getting cradle cap by not just putting hats on him while he outside or while he's really hot, because all it is really sweat. I got this thermometer for the baby so I can make sure I take his temperature, so I can put it on his head or I can put it in his ear. I got some receiving blanket for the baby, which is really cool. So it was a 4-pack of that. I got some nursing pads. Oh my gosh. So with my oldest, I had to get some nursing pads because my boobs were leaking all the time. And even with the other ones too, my boobs started leaking a lot, especially if you pump and you're not there to pump, your boobs will leak everywhere. So I got me some nursing pads for the baby. And I'm going to use Love diapers for the baby. So this is like my first box of diapers I actually got for the baby, size 1. So since I'm only 29 weeks, for the next 30 weeks, I'm going to actually stock up on baby diapers and more wipes. I got some of these bulbs so I can go ahead and suction out the baby nose. Just in case I don't want to use the machine. Where's the machine I got for the baby for the nose? Who remembers? There we go. I got this. This one actually has a battery in it. And it's to suck out the boogers in the baby nose. You know, it's the one you can put in your mouth and you can like suck it and you'll think it's going to go in your mouth, but it's not. I decided not to get this. One of my old daycare parents actually had one of this for their baby. And I was like, I like this thing, this machine. So I actually got this for the baby to go ahead and suck out any boogies the babies may have. I got this for the baby. What is this, Princess and Joshua?
This for his fingernail.
Yeah, his pacifier. Yeah, pacifier clip. I got this pacifier clip for the baby. So I can go ahead and clip on his pacifier.
Oops.
And I got some A&D ointment so I can prevent diaper rashes. And just in case he was to get a diaper rash, we already have something for his little butt. I got some storage bags for the breast milk. I don't have a breast pump yet, but I did get some storage bags so that I could actually have them. What else we have? Oh, I got a bottle cleaner so that we can go ahead and clean out the baby bottle. My little one's passing me everything. My daughter already started opening this up. She ready to put everything up for me. I got this for the baby, the brush, the comb, the nail clippers, and then a bulb to clean out his nose. So that's really good. We already did that one, Joshua. I got some newborn baby swaller diapers. So these are the diapers that usually when you at the hospital they give you. So I just got these in newborn, and it's only 31 of them. So I'm gonna have to get more of these. But I don't know. I'm going to go to the hospital after I had a baby. So I should get diapers then too. They should give me some diapers in. But I just got these, and then if he's too big or if he starts getting bigger, then I'm gonna put him on the Loves because this starts at 8 pounds. And I do want the baby to have like bigger diapers, but I want to wait for the umbilical cord too because I believe this one actually has the gap. Let me check. Princess, can you open this for me? Can you open that for me? Yeah, rip it. Hold it. Rip it.
Rip it, baby. Rip it.
Let me see. Okay, go ahead. Rip it open a little bit more. Okay, that's enough. Thank you. Let me get one of these little baby diapers out of here. Oh, it actually does not really have. Some of the diapers have like the little swoop right here for the umbilical cord. But what I usually do is anyways, I fold the diapers down like this to make room for the umbilical cord. Okay, let's put this back. Smell the baby diaper. Do it smell good?
Is it for the dog?
No, these were not for Princess Doll. This for the baby. We're going to put these on the baby. So let's keep that in there. Anything else I'm missing? Oh, the baby bottle. Right there. Give me the baby bottle. And these are the baby bottles that I actually got for the baby. So I didn't know what to get in terms of baby bottles. Like for my other kids, especially Joshua, my youngest one, I strictly breastfed him, like straight to breast, no bottle. So yeah, but I'm gonna actually pump this time. I want to make sure I pump up some milk. I have storage so that babe can feed the baby and everybody else can feed the baby, so that I'm not just trapped with the baby, because it's crazy when you just trapped with the baby because you strictly breastfeed. So these are the actual bottles that I got for the baby, and it's supposed to be like a breast too, so that's good. And then it has the air vents too for the baby. They have multiple holes because if you know, when you breastfeed, you got multiple holes within your breast, so it's a lot of milk that's squirting out, and then it's wide just like a natural nipple. So this is all the last little stuff I got for the baby, and you can see like the baby bed is here. I gotta get all of this area cleaned up. It's a mess. I don't know how they stuff even got in here. But I gotta get the little things up out of here. But that's all the little stuff I got for the little baby. Alrighty, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know if there's anything that I may be missing. And make sure you've been following along to see everything I already have. Like the shampoo, the baby bed, the baby tub, the blankets. So make sure you've been following along so you can know what I even have. See you later, everybody. Bye-bye.